just left the machine shop. Now we got the bad news and the good news. The bad news was there was a crack around the exhaust port, and the good news, they can fix it. It will cost a little bit more, but at least we know. So they did 2 pressure tests, one and then essentially another one after they fix it. There is the cylinder head, and there is that exhaust port. He just welded on. Obviously, they know what they're doing. And they said the cylinder head is fine and is ready to fit. They're pretty confident, and he's not one of the first ones they did anyway. So we're just gonna go after and fit that in. And yeah, we have parts here as well. We have everything we need. Cylinder head gasket, friction washer, bolts, cylinder head bolts, oil, coolant. I mean, there's a list of the things. I'm not gonna go through everything, but I'll be back here tomorrow. The day is getting shorter. So we're gonna wrap it up, and we will see you tomorrow in my garage. Here we are, another day, another battle with 1 liter EcoBoost. We have everything ready, we have everything prepped here. All the covers are cleaned and ready and prepped for putting the sealant back on once we assemble. Sump is completely drained and cleaned as well. Gaskets are ready. Cylinder head is here. Torque wrenches and all the tools we have ready to start putting everything back together. So enjoy the video and assembly. We'll be back with you when I get the belt back on the car. Dead bolts are done. One thing I actually noticed previously, but I can even notice it more now after the cylinder head is being washed in the machine shop, is that low bearing here. There should be more looking like satin. But we're going, we're not stopping, we're moving, and we're getting this engine back together. That's what we are so far. We just put all the lobes, all the bearings, camshafts on. We just got the cover on. The sealant is properly sealing. You can see it here. Okay. Beading is absolutely perfect. Now, we're going to put the engine back on the mount, get everything up, crankshaft pulley and everything tight, and then we're going to crank her over a few times, the engine see, and everything is in the perfect aligning condition. On TDC, we're going to check the TDC again, and then we're going to start assembling everything else just to start up the car, and then we're going to do the rest. We're in the process of filling up the oil. The whole engine is actually closed now. We only need to put the injectors on and all the wiring harness. Small little things, but it will take time because we have to put the thermostat housings on, turbocharger and everything else. But at least the engine itself, it's closed now, and we're just going to top it up with the oil and get ready with the wiring. We have everything in to crank it up. Oil is in there. All the lines are in. We only don't have our water lines in and the water pump. but I just want to turn over the engine and see if it's running properly. We don't have any misfires and everything is fine. And this is the moment where we're gonna crank her up first time. Put ignition a few times. These are pretty much good for fuel. They okay, yeah, yes, we know that. Okay, let's see. There's a few sensors are missing and all. The batteries are not connected. And there's no water. So we're gonna run it for short. But that's it. There you go. We only run it for a few seconds. We don't want to risk any fractures because there's no coolant. By saying, we're gonna put everything together now. This is the first cranked and turn over straight away, which is a good sign. It's a good timing. Let's finish this up. We put the coolant in and then we wrap it up. Do you know what? It's always like that at the end. You just have tools everywhere, but you just want to let the engine run to let it warm up. Get all the air out so it's not airlocked, so it doesn't overheat again. We're gonna change the temperature and eventually we're gonna go for the test drive. But this car, it is finished. The best feeling in the world is when you just finish rebuilding that engine and you can just listen and have a smoke. Best feeling ever. Just listening to the engine. There's still some oil going down, but that's just from residue, left tail residue from the rebuild. The fans were just kicking in. It's up on the temperature now. Hoses are up on the pressure. I spilled a little bit of oil here, that's why it's shining. So let's forget about that. No coolant leak so far. Very happy with it. Seems in operating temperature now. That is some difference. I mean, I would just compare the video before and after. Whew, that's very bad. No smoke now, no sweet smell, no that fragrance of just blowing out, what's it called? Coolant. Car's been running for an hour here. We rev it up not above 2,500 RPMs. That's the max we went. And we keep it up there for a few minutes and put it down again just to let it idle. The radiator fan kicked in a few times. Pipes are all on pressure now. They're all pressurized. They're not too hard, they're not too soft. No leaks so far, so car is ready. That's it for me. The engine is keep ticking away and it's gonna keep ticking away for another 15 minutes. We're gonna cool it down and go for the test drive. But at least I'm gonna get a few comments down below and followers or likes. It really would help my channel to get a bit of engagement. If not, I'm just gonna keep trying. Thank you for watching.